How to weld with a Chicago Electric 125 amp flux wire welder. This is how to load the welding wire. First step for a beginner like me. Number one, make sure you keep tension on the wire. I didn't do that the first time, and I got a rat's nest full of wire that I had to cut off, wasted. So you feed it through here, and you push it through into there. Then it goes into the little hole that's just past there, right here. You got to first double check that your wire size is the same wire size. This goes both ways. It has two wire diameters. Make sure the right wire diameter for the wire you have is facing up. Okay, I'm gonna push that through and then show how to clamp it in. Key point, got to have that black thing back on top once you check the right size, because it has little black tabs that slide in underneath the tabs that hold it. So it looks like that. Then you take this arm here, close it in, and to undo it, it's the opposite direction. Then you take this and flip it down like that, and it's going to seat in there. You just push it down and it clips like that. I'm going to set my wire speed to 10 and flick it on. You need to have removed the tip and the other thing that's in there. This thing that's in here, you just screw off and then push the button. And it feeds, check that the wire is feeding, should be feeding through the hose. Sticks out, and you just put the tip back on. Okay, this is the tip piece I was talking about. I don't know what it's called, but you screw it back in. And then you'll put the main tip on over the top of it. Then you screw the tip on. And there you go. I've put the wire onto a Chicago Electric 125 amp flux welder for the first time successfully.